Meet the inventor of the Oxtail Gravy.
So I am the inventor of the Oxtail Gravy, and I did it out of desperation, because every time I meet a girl and offer her something to eat and said, "What do you want?" it always the same answer: oxtail. Apparently, the cows found out how much these bitches love oxtail, went back and renegotiate their tail contract. I got up one day, oxtail is $1,000 a tail. I can't afford that. I'm desperate. That's why I invented the gravy. And you know, folks, as inventor of the Oxtail Gravy, there's just one thing I don't like, right? The way it's been ordered. And I'm in Jamaican restaurants all the time, and people come in and they want Oxtail Gravy and they order it like this. For example, they would say, "Can I have an order of stewed chicken with rice and peas, cabbage, and some oxtail gravy?" No, you're doing it wrong. You have to order the oxtail gravy first. You have to put some respect on that name. So you have to say something like, "Oh, can I have an order of oxtail gravy with stewed chicken, rice and peas, and a little cabbage?" That's the right way to order the oxtail gravy. And speaking of oxtail gravy, I'm working on a new version of the gravy. It's gonna be oxtail gravy mixed with peanut butter. And this one gonna be especially for people who are hurt. You know, you're in pain, you're broken-hearted, and the oxtail gravy with peanut butter is gonna fill the cracks, fill the opening of your heart, and then you'll be just fine. And after that, I'm coming out with oxtail gravy mixed with okra. You know, okra, that slimy thing. Yeah, and this is gonna be especially for athletes. So if you play any kind of sports, you know, football, basketball, soccer, you're a runner, then you would order the oxtail gravy with okra slime, and you will be the best.